Totally after removing all the limbs of the transformer. See, this is the limb. After removing all the total limbs, the transformer looks somewhat like this. Plastic surrounded by bindings around it. So now let's check out the secondary voltage. What will be the secondary voltage if we give 220 volts in the primary? Let me just make that. Let's turn on and watch what will happen. Whoa! The transformer is not at all working. The secondary output voltage is 0.13 volts and had connected to a 110 volts with a series of one bulb. The bulb is glowing 100%. That means the current is flowing in the coil and just directly exiting from there. Whoa! Nice, pretty nice. Now let's check out that will this act as a magnet. Let's check it out. Will this act as a magnet? Yeah, pretty nice. It acts as a magnet inside it. See, it will attract it. It is acting as a magnet inside. Just let me insert one limb and check out will be there any variation in voltage. Now let me just insert two limbs in between them and check out that will be there any voltage passing through from primary to secondary. The voltage has been increased from 0.1 to 0.8. Let me go on adding the limbs. I have inserted 7 limbs around them. Now let's check out what would be the voltage around it. Let's make sure that it won't make short circuit. Yeah. Whoa. Just observe. The voltage has been increased to 1 volts, 1 AC volts. And you can observe the vibrations of the limbs and the sound creating by the transformer. Now let me just go on adding more limbs and just check it out. I have added more limbs with less spacing. Let me just arrange this in space. Now yeah, let's check it out. What would be the secondary voltage? The voltage has been increased to 2 volts. See, you can hear the sound of the. It is creating a magnetic flux around it. I have added all the second limbs and just now let's check out the secondary voltage. Make sure that there is no short circuit. Oh, the voltage did not increase. It remains same 1.6. Even after adding all the limbs, the voltage remains same. But there is a lot of vibration in this. I was unable to install all the limbs in this condition, so just I have inserted upside down. And now let's check out the secondary voltage in this condition. Secondary voltage when the limbs are in upside down position. Whoa, My whole table started to vibrate and the voltage has been increased. Oh, wait. The body stitching. The voltage has been increased to 3 volts. No, oh. Did you like that music? Ooh. So 3 volts.